heavy tines, and they are used to break up the surface. If you get into a hot, dry summer, sometimes you need to have a little bit more material to work with. So in a case like that, you would just lower them down so that they're into the application by about a 3/4 inch to an inch, just to give you a little bit more material on the surface. That's one application. The second application for these tools would be if you'd have a wet surface and you need to get it dried up to be able to groom it. You drop these down, lift up your machine, drop these down just so that they're into the surface by about an inch, and just rip up your entire infield to allow the air to get in there and to speed up the drying process. Very effective for that. There's another application for these heavy tines here that I didn't talk about earlier. If you have a warning track on your ball diamond, infestation of growth is always an issue on warning tracks and so on. You can use these heavy tines to control that growth. Set your tines in, and just every now and then, doesn't have to be every week at all, but whatever your situation is, the growth, how fast it is, whatever, just rip it up with those tines. It does a great job to control that encroachment of grass and weeds on your warning tracks.